Alright, so welcome back to our third JavaScript lesson, 6.3.4 dinner plans. So for this assignment, we want to prompt the user and ask them what is their name and ask them what time to meet for dinner. And then in our final thing, we want to print line by greeting them and then telling them we'll meet at the time they gave us for dinner. So the first thing we want to do is create a variable, and it doesn't have to be named, just any variable. And we want to set that variable as a prompt or as a read line. So basically what this does is read line asks the user a question and they can respond with text, a string. So basically whatever word they answer with is now the value for this name. So if I go here and I put CB blocker, and I'll just put a time to show you, but right here we have CB blocker. And now this name value up here is equal to CB blocker. So that's why when I call this variable, CB blocker is substituted in. And we do the same concept with time. However, instead of it being a read line, it's a read int, meaning that it's an integer, meaning that you can only use a number value. That means you can't even do 5:30. You can't do 530. It has to be a number only. And you can see we did just like the last lesson where we add our constant text and then we add the variable that changes depending on what we set it to or what the user sets it to. And then we add our constant text again, variable, and then constant text. And then show you the code one more time. We prompt the user, they input their name, and you prompt the user what time to meet for dinner. They input a time, and then we print line. And this should be our outcome